Hello guys, and welcome to another video from Vintage Radar. In case you are wondering what battery type your Casio watch takes, there are going to be three ways in which you can find out. The easiest way might be to look online for the exact battery type when it comes to your Casio model. So as you can see here, I have first the module, which is going to be 5081, that is going to be the movement, and then you can see the exact model. So this is the Casio G-Shock GA100. So if you look any of these two online, you will be able to find the exact watch battery type. Now the other way might be to actually pull the watch battery out and to read on the back of the battery, so on the plus side, the exact watch battery type that your watch takes. So this is going to be the second way in which you can find out the exact watch battery type. In case you are unable to read on the back of the watch, maybe you have it scratched or maybe the watch back was replaced at a certain point, what you can do is to look either on the front of the watch and search with Google Lens, and that is going to give you the exact watch model that you have, or on the movement, in case you do not find the battery inside, you can actually look right here 5081 and you will be able to read the movement inside. So this is going to be the module and you can look it up by the module. So guys, this was the quick tutorial on how to find the exact watch battery type that your Casio G-Shock watch takes. In case you want to watch the full guide with how to replace the watch battery on your Casio G-Shock watch, I'm going to leave a link in the description box below, because you need to open it up, open the watch battery cage, replace the battery, do the AC, and also do the hand alignment. So you have to make sure that the digital time is going to match the analog time if you have these types of Casio G-Shock watches after you have replaced the watch batteries. So I'm going to leave a link in the description box below to that full guide. In case you found value from this video, guys, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this YouTube channel, it really means a lot. Make sure to check all the links in the description box below to the tools that I use, to the website, because we have a website where we sell vintage watches, vintageradar.com, link in the description box below, guys. Thank you guys for watching. I'm going to see you on the next video.